matter.
এটা ইয়ে করেননি অন্য aspect-এ না?
I'm imposing a cost upon you and releasing the matter. Why
No,
you have wasted
I-
20 minutes of the court.
I'm suffering.
Now, court is not a charity. Time is not charity. I have scheduled time. Many lawyers are waiting over here. At this age, you are bullying the court. At the end of the matter, when you feel, you take up this point. This is advocacy. 50 বছর প্র্যাকটিস করার পরে এই হচ্ছে অবস্থা হাইকোর্টের। নিন, at the end of the matter, when the court was about to pass an order, pointed out that a contempt petition is pending before Honorable Justice is Joy Sengupta.
কোথায়?
This was pointed to the court after 25 minutes of submission.
ইয়ে করেননি?
The court's time is not charity. 3,000 is imposed upon the petitioner.
She was pleased to direct me to file exception
I'm appearing.
on behalf of the petitioner. May I permit it to file it?
Please. This is your objection to the exception or no?
Your Lordship, it is a further progress report. Your
Further progress report.
Lordship. Kindly
issue.
considers, Your Lordship, this writ petition is in respect of a FIR that was registered by the petitioner. That FIR has attained finality, charge sheet has been filed, the accused persons are on bail. A counter case has been filed against the petitioner, wherein he has also obtained bail and he is also enlarged on bail. Thereafter, after filing of this writ petition, or maybe before filing of the writ petition in the month of September 2024, they have filed a subsequent FIR. Which has been mentioned in the further progress report, Your Lordship, in the second page. That in respect of that FIR being Boshirat PS case number 666 of 2024, 35(3) notice under BNSS has been issued. The complainant has been called to supply certain documents she hasn't yet turned on. This report has been prepared on 20th November 2024, Your Lordship. Kindly see paragraph 12. Other two cases which has been mentioned in the writ petition, they have been charge sheeted. This is a new case altogether. The petitioners have filed a civil suit, has obtained an injunction. This is a continuous way of litigation, Your Lordship. This writ petition should not be entertained at all. They have their appropriate remedy before the civil court to file an application under
for producing
39.
for the complaint.
আমার ডিটেইলস জানি আপনি এটা বলে দিন, সেটা আমার এখানে রিপোর্টে
Lord, I am for the private respondent.
Who is in possession of the shop room?
My lord, we have the possession in the shop.
That
And,
is admitted.
all the order is in our favor, my lord. Your lordship kindly
Your
come
contention.
to the order of
Wait,
the
wait,
Honorable
wait.
Justice
Let
Joy.
him say. Yes.
Very recently, acid attack was made on the.
No, that is a
respondent.
separate thing. You tell
It's
me
not proved, my lord.
any dispute regarding the shop room, yes or no?
Because that is going on, my lord. With me, with the respondent number 5 and 6, there is no dispute.
Yes, my lord, there is the dispute. Who is the respondent number 5? He is the miscreant,
Your Lordship,
trying to dispose me without due process of
He
law.
has assaulted with me, assaulted me.
Your
with
Lordship,
That is not proved, my lord.
Sir,
Until and unless doctor is examined, it can't be taken as evidence. This is the settled law of India.
Police is looking for him.
He is just misleading the court. What, may your lordship kindly come to
I have seen, sir. You see, you were called on 14th of September. Why didn't you go?
where?
Where, to the police station?
Yes, my lord, repeated.
Where see, the complainant Momita Kundu for producing medical papers, CCTV footage, and other relevant documents on 14/9/2024. You were served with a notice under section 94 of the BNSS. Did you go? Yes or no? Did you receive a notice? Yes or no?
No, my lord.
You did not
I
receive.
haven't received any notice. But just, my lord, to harass me, they are just.
No, this type of case I will not. Case has been filed, sir. If you have,
Goes to police station, you will be arrested. That is why.
Your lordship,
if I may ask.
Number 672 for
your
acid attack. And in that case, eyewitness and injured victim.
My lord.
Given, my lord, 160 word statement.
my lord,
Before the
no statement was taken of the petitioner, my lord, as yet. No enquiry was made.
In respect of which case?
Mr. Listen, sir. You have a report in your hand.
Lordship,
Come to this paragraph 12.
Lordship.
You say over here, you have served notice under section 94 BNSS to the complainant Momita De Kundu. Again,
In respect of the new FIR registered, your lordship.
Yes, yes, that is what I'm asking. Who is the victim of this incident?
My lord,
Lord. On the last occasion, in their report as well, your lordship, they have given a copy of the subsequent FIR, I believe. Last
No, no, next paragraph you have said, kindly see. Next paragraph after 12. IO of the case served notice on 12/9/2024. And it came to learn that victim injured tweeted at Boshirat Hospital on 13/9/2024. After 2 days of incident, the investigation of the case is going on. Now, A5 over here is Hare Krishna Mollik.
It's an order of the
Who is this Hare Krishna?
Because at page number, paragraph number 12, if your lordship kindly sees that Hare Krishna Mullik and the said accused person surrendered before the learned court on 23rd September and released on bail.
my
That
lord,
bail
this
order has
report
been
is not served upon me, my lord. That's why I'm being jerked. And police report is not believable, my lord. Because your lordship.
This is not a
kind
case to go to CBI. These are usual disputes going on. Take steps if he's running off the business. So, where the shop room is concerned,
Lordship, we are
it's an admitted position that they are running the shop or whatever, they are in possession of the shop. There is no dispute that they are not in possession, as is reflected. So, you take proper steps as you have been taking register cases. Whoever comes and disturbs
Your
you.
lordship kindly makes one of
No,
the
my lord, already, my lord, the Honorable Justice Joyce Gupta passed the same order and direct the police authority to help me.
So what do you want, CIS?
But, my lord, they-
accused.
This miscreant
They
have
filed
the unholy
they
nexus
filed
with
the
the
charge
police
sheet.
authority.
Subsequently,
And
they have
they
raised the
filed
complaint, they have filed
earlier-
subsequent FIRs.
Are,
We cannot go and
they are just
do anything
bluffing, my
beyond
lord.
the law.
Very good. Both the petitioner and the respondent, since repeated cases are done, will stay outside the jurisdiction. Happy?
But
Tell me,
what-
happy?
what-
You will not fight.
Concerned police
One
station
will
may be happy.
one will stay at North Bengal, other will stay at South Bengal. Happy, sir? Powers of the court remains, I am telling you. 3 months, go and stay, both of you. Everything will cool down. Then all this further investigation, CID will go off. Simple cases, squabbling over everything. Behave, both of you behave yourself, sir. Immediately PR bond from all the petitioner and the respondents. Any violation, I want to see 1 lakh PR bond for each of them. Petitioner and the respondents. They will undertake before the inspector in charge that if they are unable to conduct themselves properly, you charge them 1 lakh rupees as fine. I am passing a direction. যত ঝামেলার মামলা নিয়ে চলে আসে জমি জমার মামলা নিয়ে. And then we'll see what happens, how they behave themselves. And next time, if anything happens, complain to this court. I'm telling you, for law and order, I will not allow them to stay at the locality.
No, my lord. Because they have given me.
Sir, criminal cases have been filed both against the petitioner and the respondent. They will go to the inspector in charge and file a bond, personal bond. No money is involved now. Personal bond of 1 lakh rupees. Further dispute, complaint to the IC, got to pay it as a fine. এই করে করে রিট কোর্ট গুলোকে ভর্তি করে দিয়েছে মামলা করে চলে আসুন.
But, my lord, already.
This is first opportunity I am granting to both of you. I am telling you, next time you will not be able to stay at your home.
No, I'm not staying,
Who-
my lord. For their threatening, my lord, I already
You are both
staying at Parasat, left my house.
both parties will. I'm telling you, I will not allow. Either you are running business or you will come from North Bengal and run your business regularly. Until pains are created, people don't understand when they are in a comfortable zone. That how valuable is comfort, local comfort.
I have already suffered pain.
Acid
But,
was thrown on me.
my lord,
Sir, I don't want to hear.
Statement.
He is before the court. You have not come. I have seen from the report there are cases and counter cases.
Yes.
Once there are cases and counter cases, court will have to be strict on both the parties. For the time being, I am imposing a personal bond of 1 lakh rupees upon the petitioner and the respondents also.
I will fix the father and son.
your,
Both of them, my lord, will.
Your lordship,
Personal bond, you don't have any issue, sir. You don't have to pay any money. You are going to go and give an undertaking before the court that in case there is any allegation or accusation that I have not conducted myself with good behavior, I commit that I'll pay 1 lakh of rupees. But as simple as that.
In that case, inquiry will be conducted.
Obviously.
Otherwise, my lord,
No,
only on the basis of allegation.
আর দুজনেই টাকা দিক না, টাকা আছে তা গরম আছে তাই জন্য.
your lordship, can you allow me a couple of minutes?
What, sir?
Your lordship.
You have come up with a prayer over here, see in the writ petition. You cannot change it continuously. You come to your prayers in the writ petition, sir.
Exception.
It an exception.
Come to the writ petition, prayer A. For what you are wanting mandamus, not to disturb the peaceful possession of the petitioner. That is your prayer A,
Right.
right? Not to harass or threat due to false and concocted allegation. There be. So your case is for harassment, disturbing your position, carrying on your business. Now you can come up with many things, sir. I'm not going to, got to have to address the core issue for which you have come before this
But
court.
my lord, police authority violated the order of the Honorable High Court.
Police authorities were compared, both of who,
Your lordship, kindly.
how many cases are there, sir? There is a case of
Contempt is there, my lord,
contempt is where?
before the Honorable Justice Joy Gupta.
Why didn't you point it out when I took the matter?
এটা ইয়ে করেননি?
I'm imposing a cost upon you and releasing the matter. Why
No,
you have wasted
I-
20 minutes of the court?
I'm suffering.
Now, court is not a charity. Time is not charity. I've got to complete matters within the scheduled time. Many lawyers are waiting over here. At this age, you are bullying the court. At the end of the matter, when you feel that the order is not to your convenience, you take up this point. This is advocacy. 50 বছর প্র্যাকটিস করার পরে এই হচ্ছে অবস্থা হাইকোর্টের। নিন, petitioner at the end of the matter, when the court was about to pass an order, pointed out that a contempt petition is pending before Honorable Justice is Joy Gupta.
কোথায়?
This was pointed to the court
It-
after 25 minutes of submission.
এটা ইয়ে করেননি?
The court's time is not charity. A cost of rupees 50,000 is imposed upon the petitioner. Matter is thereafter released from the list, as there may be divergent opinions since a contempt application is pending before a different bench.
Yes, my lord, it is already mentioned, my lord.
For orders, when it came, why didn't you mention the matter? It has come up for orders at the instance of this court?
My lord, I'm sorry.
No, sir.
it is mentioned.
No, sir.
Your lordship, kindly consider.
Second time, I will not consider. You go in appeal. Next.
Item number